Hi guys, welcome to my channel. .NET firmware 3.5, the version, the installations error. So how to resolve? So guys, first method, ensure the Windows Update services is running. So you can check, click to start and type services.msc. Okay, and then right click to run as administrator, and then given to permissions for yes, then press guys Windows, come to Windows series on the slowdown, then this is Windows update. Okay, double click to select, and now this is not working, means services is showing here start, means this is stop. So double click to start and select the automatic, and then click to guys start, and then apply, and then okay. Now this is both showing like stop and restart. Okay, then again one more time click to restart. Okay, then close, then guys next. So use Windows features to install .NET firmware 3.0. So .NET firmware 3.5 is optional features Windows, and you can try to install thought to control panel. So click to start and type control panel. Okay, then click to program. Okay, so first of all guys, if you selected this large icon, so it means more than lot of features it's extract automatically. So guys, select the category. This is easy way to go. Click to program, turn on or off, turn windows. Okay, turn windows feature on and off, then listed the feature, the check the box next to 3.5. Okay, yeah, this is like that, means your .NET is unable from your system, then close it. Okay, and okay, and close. So guys, next method I tell you to all method follow, and then all completed guys, then try to install it. Okay, reinstall, but you first of all you follow my all method. I 100% sure you resolve this issue. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay. Copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay. So step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third. then last. Hi guys. Created a restore point or automatically created a restore point. How to restore? So click to start and type restore, create a restore point, create restore point to click. You can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all uh, auto and manual. This is type, okay, and then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart, and then click it. So click to start, type service, right click to run as administrator, then click background, this background installations, transfer service. So double click to open, starter type automatic, then click to start, and then apply, and then OK. Then select, then again click to restart. If already started, already is working, start, so you can click on restart. Okay, then close it.